Google's efforts to maintain secrecy on its upcoming Pixel devices seem to have hit another snag as leaked photos of the Pixel 8 Pro surfaced on Reddit earlier this week. These images, which showcase the front and the back of an actual Pixel 8 Pro, provide an early glimpse at the Google's forthcoming flagship smartphone. Although the initial images were quickly taken down from Reddit, fortunately Droid Life managed to save a copy of them before they were removed. In today's video, we're going to talk about these leaked images, what they indicate, and what possible features the Google Pixel 8 Pro might come with. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, the leaked images reveal that the Pixel 8 Pro follows the recognizable design language of previous Pixel devices, but with noticeable differences from its predecessor, the Pixel 7 Pro. A distinct change can be observed in the back of the Pixel 8 Pro, showcasing a triple camera system enclosed within a single glass oval, eliminating the separate telephoto lens present in the 7 Pro. Another intriguing addition visible in the photo is a new sensor placed alongside the flash, purportedly capable of measuring the user's body temperature. Furthermore, the back of the Pixel 8 Pro reveals a distinguishing sticker indicating its status as a prototype test unit labeled with the codename Zuma, which corresponds to Google's Tensor G3 processor. Additionally, a fascinating pattern of lines adorn the lower portion of the phone, though its purpose or whether it'll be incorporated into the final design later this year remains uncertain. We also can see the fast boot screen is visible in the display, featuring the mention of Husky, which is a speculated codename for the Pixel 8 Pro. Notably, the screen reveals specifications such as 12GB of Samsung LPDDR5 RAM and 128GB of internal storage. Additionally, it appears that Google has opted for a departure from the curved display and instead chose a flat display design for the Pixel 8 Pro. Both models of the Pixel 8 will feature a significant camera hardware upgrade with the transition from the Samsung ISOCELL GN1 sensor to the ISOCELL GN2. This update brings several enhancements. Firstly, the sensor itself is larger, allowing it to capture approximately 35% more light compared to the previous version. As a result, you can expect brighter low-light images and faster shutter speed, effectively reducing blurriness in your photos. While specific details about the camera specifications remain undisclosed, earlier leaks have indicated potential features such as a 50-megapixel primary sensor, a 64-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 48-megapixel telephoto lens. Another notable feature that has been leaked for the Pixel 8 Pro is the inclusion of an FIR thermometer sensor. This sensor is called the Melexis MLX906032, which is primarily designed for precise non-contact temperature measurements, particularly for body temperature assessment. It's important to highlight that this sensor serves a singular purpose of temperature measurement and does not function as a camera or any other multifunctional component. It's interesting to observe that Google has chosen to incorporate this relatively costly feature into its device, albeit some may perceive it as a gimmick. In conclusion, the leaked information about the Pixel 8 Pro provides us with intriguing insights into the upcoming flagship device from Google. From the design changes, such as the revamped camera system and the inclusion of a temperature measurement sensor to the camera hardware upgrade and display modifications, the Pixel 8 Pro appears to be an exciting device with notable improvements over its predecessor. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video to be helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.